Hi, my name is Mandeep Singh Bucher and I help school and college students plan for their higher education and career opportunities. Over the last few days, I've made some videos talking about how you should decide whether you need to meet a career counselor or an admissions counselor. They're two different people with different sets of expertise, and you should know which one can help you. Now, let's assume you've gone and met a career counselor. What should you do after that to ensure that your session, the effort that you've put in, brings you the desired results? So, today I'm going to talk about the 5 things that you should keep in mind when you go to see a career counselor and how you can follow up about with them. The first thing really to understand is that meeting a career counselor is not an end to itself. Your career counselor is the first step in the journey that you want to take. So what are you going to do about it? Are you going to rest or are you going to get into action mode? Resting is easy. You say, the career counselors told me that this is what I should do, and yeah, things will happen. Or do you get into action mode and say, this was the first step. How do I make it from the first step to the higher steps in my journey? Now that you've got a better understanding of yourself, what a career counselor has done is help you identify strengths, help you identify areas that you're good at, help you identify reasons why certain career choices are better suited for you. So you have a better understanding of yourself. Okay, make a note of these. Understand the areas that you need to develop on. Okay, it's not all rosy. There are areas that you will need to develop on. There are areas where you need to upgrade your skills. There are areas that you need to ensure you maintain the edge that you have. So you've got a better understanding of yourself. Fine tune it, don't just leave it there. The second thing that you want to do is research. Now at the end of a career counseling session, you've got a list of options. Okay, what you've got is probable careers, probable next steps with reasons and what you should do after those. But you need to go and research those in more detail. You need to understand them better. You need to perhaps speak with people who belong to that career or belong to that profession and understand the finer aspects. You also want to go further ahead and say, where is this career or where is this subject likely to take me in 5 years, 10 years, 20 years from today? So research is critical. The third thing you want to do then is prepare a roadmap. What is a roadmap? A roadmap is a set of specific actionables and some timelines against them. What will you do first? What is the highest priority item that you need to address first? By when do you need to address certain items? By when do you need to complete certain projects? By when do you need to take some exams in the journey towards that career? What are the kind of extra skills you need to develop? So you may need to do online courses, you may need to do some internships. Mention those. Because all this will ensure that the information and knowledge that you got from your career counseling session is actually put into practice. Last thing you need to do is continuously reassess. Understand the world around you is changing, the economy may change, technologies will change. Your own perception and your own perspective of things may change. As you grow, as you mature, as you undergo new experiences, things will change. So ensure that you reassess what you did with a career counselor a couple of years back. Don't assume that those are cast in stone. The world around you is in a vacuum and nothing will change. What you need to do today, if you haven't already met a career counselor, start a conversation. We'll be more than happy to help. Email me at counselor@mindscan.edu.in. We'll be happy to start along with you on this journey. And if you already met a career counselor, I hope these simple steps help you extract maximum benefit from the effort that you've undertaken. Thank you for watching. My name is Mandeep Singh Bucher. Have a great day.